Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to empowering you with proven strategies for professional growth and personal success. Today, we present a transformative journey into the world of pro-level achievers. Unlock the secrets that set them apart and elevate your success to new heights. 1. Set clear goals. Like, share and subscribe our channel. A hallmark of pro-level achievers is their ability to set clear, measurable, and attainable goals. By creating a well-defined vision and breaking it down into actionable objectives, you gain purposeful direction and unwavering motivation. Embrace the SMART approach to goal setting: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and watch your ambitions take shape with precision. 2. Perseverance. Success doesn't unfold overnight. It emerges from the crucible of perseverance. Pro-level achievers understand that challenges and setbacks are part of the journey. They maintain unyielding determination, using obstacles as stepping stones towards their dreams. Learn to navigate adversity with grace, for it is through resilience that greatness emerges. 3. Continuous learning. Lifelong learning is the cornerstone of sustained success. Pro-level achievers have an insatiable curiosity, always seeking knowledge from diverse sources. Embrace a growth mindset, remain open to fresh perspectives, and invest in your personal and professional development. Knowledge fuels innovation and keeps you ahead of the curve. Taking calculated risks. Calculated risk-taking is an art mastered by high achievers. Assess potential outcomes meticulously, gathering insights to make informed decisions. Step out of your comfort zone strategically, embracing calculated risks as catalysts for innovation and progress. Courageously explore uncharted territories, as therein lies the path to extraordinary achievements. 5. Mastering time management. Time is your most valuable asset. Pro-level achievers are masters of time management, prioritizing tasks with precision and purpose. Identify time drains, implement efficient workflows, and focus on activities aligned with your goals. Harness the power of time, and you'll witness an exponential increase in productivity. 6. Embracing failure. Failure is not a deterrent, but an invaluable teacher. Pro-level achievers embrace failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. Analyze setbacks objectively, derive actionable insights, and apply newfound wisdom to improve your strategies. Embrace the transformative potential of failure, for it's a stepping stone to eventual triumph. 7. Cultivating a positive mindset. Your mindset shapes the trajectory of your success. Cultivate a positive attitude and harness the power of self-belief. Nurture a growth-oriented mindset that fuels optimism, resilience, and creativity. Surround yourself with positivity and foster a supportive environment that propels you towards your goals. 8. The power of networking. A robust network of relationships opens doors to unprecedented opportunities. Pro-level achievers understand the value of networking, engaging with like-minded professionals to foster collaboration and support. Invest in meaningful connections, adding value to others and cultivating a thriving network that amplifies your impact. 9. Embracing adaptability. Adaptability is a key attribute of high achievers in a dynamic world. Embrace change and remain agile, adjusting your strategies to seize opportunities and navigate challenges. Adaptability positions you as a proactive driver of change, propelling you forward amidst shifting landscapes. 10. The fuel of hard work and dedication. Hard work and dedication form the bedrock of pro-level success. Persevere with unwavering commitment, fueled by passion and a strong work ethic. Dedicate yourself to excellence, and witness your efforts transform into extraordinary achievements. Congratulations on uncovering the secrets of pro-level achievers. Armed with these time-tested strategies, you're primed to chart a path of remarkable success. Embrace these principles, embody the mindset of a high achiever, and watch your aspirations unfold before you. Remember, the journey to pro-level success is both challenging and rewarding, but with determination and continuous improvement, you'll ascend to extraordinary heights. Stay connected with us for more valuable insights, and until next time, keep striving for greatness.